Have you ever wondered how to integrate royalty income into your coaching business without changing your existing model? I'm James Moneypenny, a founding affiliate of The Great Discovery, and I'm thrilled to show you how. We're diving into the world of fourth generation Six Sigma, a treasure we call The Great Discovery. Later, I'll share how Six Sigma fuels the opportunity to build royalty income and opens doors globally that most people would never even have the chance to knock on. This is no mere fantasy. It's an attainable reality with the adoption of Six Sigma, particularly the transformative fourth generation Six Sigma within your business framework. Picture this, a vast network of global affiliates harnessing the esteemed reputation of Six Sigma. They're not just offering your courses and services, they're reaching a diverse audience spanning major corporations, universities, public and private schools, and large organizations worldwide. From corporate employees seeking professional development to students in educational institutions, the potential impact knows no bounds. Why is Six Sigma so important to this opportunity? Picture it as the cornerstone of success, embraced by industry giants like Motorola, Microsoft, Boeing, in the U.S. military. Six Sigma has saved organizations billions of dollars and made them even more, but its application in saving lives within the military speaks much higher of the value of the Six Sigma systems. For over 40 years, Six Sigma has been the secret weapon behind the triumphs of these massive organizations. It's a system so revered, it's synonymous with excellence. Once reserved for the elite of the elite and massive organizations, Six Sigma is now breaking free from its exclusive confines. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of this golden standard, making it accessible to everyone, all ages, from the curious minds of 5-year-olds to the seasoned wisdom of centenarians and beyond. Why the urgency? Our educational systems are not just failing, they're becoming obsolete. Organizations recognize the transformative power of Six Sigma, not just in saving billions and safeguarding lives, but in shaping the future workforce. By introducing Six Sigma principles early on, starting at age 5, we're nurturing a generation of problem solvers and innovators. And where does your content fit in? It aligns seamlessly with fourth generation Six Sigma, the Great Discovery, propelling education into the future. We're not just filling gaps, we're revolutionizing e-learning. In Six Sigma fashion, we're poised to become the foremost platform for global education success. The world doesn't just need our process-oriented training for success. Our world needs training on skills in every specialty imaginable, including motivation, problem solving, personal growth, skills like auto mechanics, computer programming, welding, building rocket ships, and beyond. Our schools no longer teach any core skills. Your talents will be showcased side by side with the world-renowned Six Sigma. Imagine the excitement among massive organizations as they realize that the latest version, fourth generation Six Sigma, is available not only to their workers, but even to their employees' children as young as 5. Our schools aren't providing these companies with the right kind of job candidates. Teaching Six Sigma to employees' kids early on could help provide better qualified employees in the future. But they not only need the Six Sigma training and mindset, they need your specialized training to help shape their futures. With this in mind, the Great Discovery serves as your gateway to a vast network of affiliates eager to promote your courses to huge and diverse audiences around the globe. Imagine your content reaching billions of potential learners, unlocking unprecedented opportunities for growth and impact. The Great Discovery is not just about revolutionizing education, delivery, and experience, but also about making high-quality education accessible. We're dedicated to improving lives regardless of financial condition, investing heavily in geolocation capabilities to proactively reduce training costs in impoverished areas. As a coach, you're invited to join this journey without disrupting your current coaching endeavors. Whether you're creating new training videos or leveraging existing content, our platform provides a conduit for global distribution, allowing you to earn passive income even as you sleep. Fear not the challenge of creating engaging videos. The Great Discovery offers step-by-step training and live assistance in video creation, helmed by certified Six Sigma coaches, ensuring expert guidance at every juncture. We've invested in AI technology to translate courses into over 100 languages, broadening the reach to a diverse global audience. With a growing sales force promoting your courses, the potential for income generation is exponential. We can even translate your coaching services in real time, allowing you to coach people in any language. With our live translations integrated into a Zoom-like technology, we eliminate all barriers, regardless of distance or language. Our platform preserves your unique voice and personality across different languages, courtesy of our significant investment in advanced cloning technology. This ensures an authentic delivery of your training, fostering a meaningful connection with learners. As a coach or content provider, you can explore multiple avenues for revenue generation, from royalties on course sales to booking live events, coaching sessions, and boot camps. Our platform offers flexibility tailored to your preferences and goals. In summary, the Great Discovery is your golden ticket to expanding your coaching business, reaching a global audience, and generating passive income without disrupting your current model. With step-by-step video creation assistance, AI technology for translations, and flexible revenue streams, it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. So get back with the person who invited you to watch this video and join the Great Discovery today. Let us empower your message to change the world.